Have you ever wondered how those plastic sleeve boxes are made? Crafted from top-grade HDPE and PP materials, our plastic sleeve boxes are designed to be durable, lightweight, and easy to handle. They are perfect for storage and transportation of goods. Our team of experienced designers works closely with our customers to create custom designs that meet their specific needs. Our factory is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery, including blow and injection molding machines for the manufacture of pallets and lids. We're proud to say that we have multiple sleeve sheet production and processing lines, which allow us to produce large quantities of plastic sleeve boxes quickly and efficiently. At the same time, there are experienced technicians dedicated to ensuring that each box meets our high-quality standards. Trust us to provide you with the best plastic sleeve box for all your packaging needs.